Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, your money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
Hello, ladies. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you are new. I'm going to jump right in with the tapered squares, like 3XL. I get them from Amazon. Now, this did really good on YouTube Shorts. You guys liked it. Not so much on Instagram. They did enjoy it on TikTok. And I'll kind of get a feel for who likes it most. And then, I'll give something extra to that platform. So they liked it on Instagram. I did do like a short tutorial reel, but you guys loved it on YouTube. So maybe you might want to see how the whole process went. I'm going in with the no lift primer because I love that stuff. And then, I always go in with a little thin layer of clear. Right now, I'm using my Mia Secret Clear. I just ordered another one because I just finished this one, 2 ounces. And it's so clear. It's so good. And I noticed, no shade to them, but I had gotten a not polished. It looked clear, but it's like a pink. It's very, very clear pink. I don't know. I forget the name of the color, but I used that once when I didn't have any clear as my clear base, and I found that I had some lifting. I was very surprised. So I feel like you need to use a clear. If you're going to do this type of method and not just go in with all the acrylic, if you're going to swipe that little bit of clear, which I highly recommend, I don't know, just make sure it's clear from the brand, because I used something that wasn't clear. It did have a little bit of color and I got lifting. So I'm back to my Mia Secret Clear for my little thin base protective layer. And now I'm going in with dark pink from E&L. You guys know I loved that brand. I found it to be very much like Valentino, and it's harder to find now, but I'll leave a link down below if you're interested. It's a very pretty color. But anywho, so I decided to do a Disney, like a mini Mickey Mouse kind of set. I don't know, because your girl is not too whimsical. I really am not about that whimsical life, and I'm not about the childish life either. So when I do my nails, I tend to go for a little bit something a little bit more grown, a little bit more sexy, a little bit more cute. But sometimes, the little kid come out in you and you want to do something kind of fairy tale-ish. So we're going to get into the design, which is the most important part, right? You can do this on your Gel X. You can do this on short nails. It's just a simple grown design that kind of gives Disney mini without doing too much. So first I'm going to go in with my Frenchies. Frenchies be killing me, girl, but I'm getting so much better at them. It's the brush. I've highly recommended this brush before, and I will leave the link down below, or I'll just pop it on the screen. I'm also going in with, so my last video, if you saw my last video, we played around with some transfer foil, some animal print transfer foil. And when I was in that box of foils, girl, I am never in that box. Like, we need to play with the foils more for sure. So I'm thinking about doing that. So anyway, when I was in the box of foils, I saw these foils, and they're so cute. They're like a Mickey Mouse kind of ish designer. It's got like Gucci, Louis. I didn't get as much as that logo, that luxury logo stuff. I really just wanted the Mickey Mouses, but so cute. Not childish, very grown, very sexy. We could do something with this. So when I saw it, I was like, okay, I might could pull something off that I'm comfortable with. And I'm using that Eye Method Beauty Transfer Foil. Girl, it's not even available. I'm not even going to tell you about it. But the girls who got it, y'all know, y'all still use it. It works real good. I never had any transfer issues. Look at it. It just peels off so clean. Look at her. This is such a cute foil, and I think these were going around at one point. Like, you guys should definitely have this if you were doing nails like 6 years ago, and I know you got some of these in the stash. And even if you don't have this method transfer foil, I believe if you get a gel like a transfer foil that you have to cure, I just feel like they work so much better than the air dry one. Look at that, very clean. So I don't know why, girl, but we going in with another Frenchies. I did Frenchies on every finger, and you must be new here because I hate Frenchies, but you have to do them because they're classy, they're beautiful. Like you have to do Frenchies, and so I'm going in with all Frenchies. I'm gonna do a red French with a polka dot. Design. Now, you know, the polka dots are huge all over Instagram. The polka dot designs are really making a comeback. I love that. I love that for us. And but also Minnie Mouse's bow has the polka dots. So I'm giving her bow without doing too much. And yes, we could have did 3D bows. I got bow charms. I got so many fucking bows, bitch. But I can't, I just really wanted to play with my gel, do some gel artwork, and see if I could give the feel of a Disney look without, again, doing too much. So I loved it. I thought she was so cute. And I left her, like, I didn't top coat her for a while, for like a day. Because I was like, girl, you want to put a bow? You want to put something? You want to put something? I even, like, put some stuff on. I was like, nope. I like her just the way she is. I'm going in with another French. Another French girl, a white French. I think I'm going to do, I don't know. I don't know what I want to do. I felt like I wasn't giving enough Mickey at this point. I love the pointer, the bow, very cute. Okay. And I got the thumb, but no one ever sees the thumb. So I was like, And then I was like, oh, what about the shadow? Because I am no artiste girl. I cannot portrait Mickey Mouse. I can't do it. But I could silhouette. I can kind of silhouette paint. So I was like, okay, maybe I can do a Mickey head silhouette. I used dotting tools and my liner brush, and girl, it takes work. It takes work. It takes time. But I thought, like, I was like, okay, he's cute. It was a little weird. I was like, okay, maybe I'll put the bow on this finger, right? Because it wasn't perfect, girl. It wasn't perfect, but it was cute. So I found a little bow. Look at all my gems. I do wish I would use them more and wear them more, but I just can't. They get caught in my hair. And then no sooner I'm rocking my set, about a week or two, I'm ready for a new set. So I just don't want to waste them. I'd rather give them away. But look at her right here. I was like, okay. You see, I did the little bangles on the thumb. I am going to do some more bangles. I don't know why. It's just such a cute trend. I really do love it. And I felt like it was giving me, not bling, but charm, like a charm feel without really having charms that would tangle in my hair. I feel like that's a good tip too. Like if you don't like a lot of bling or it tangles on everything, maybe you could try bangles, because the bangle nails are very cute and they're usually round, so they don't really catch on anything. So you could, do that. I was open to that, so I did some bangles. I'm going in again with the foil paper because I just want to give more Mickey. I just felt like I wasn't giving enough Mickey, and it's not always about the bling. It's about the design. The design has to read Disney. Mickey, is it giving? And I thought it was giving. What do you think? So cute, so cute. They loved it. They absolutely loved the look on YouTube. It got thousands of views, my reveal. So I hope you guys like it. Just a very simple, achievable set. I know you can do this. You can do this on short nails, your gel X sets, whatever. Play with your foils, have some fun. I wanted to do something a little colorful, a little bit, cartoony, whimsical, but not too childish. And I felt like I achieved that look. I'm very comfortable with it as an adult woman. The kids loved it. Every time I saw my girlfriend's kids, they were like, oh my God, that's Mickey. I was like, yes. I was so happy that they were like getting the vibe. They already knew what it was. So I said, okay, as long as she's reading well, that's all we can ask for, girl. If you're going to do a set like this, like a theme set, you want people to pick up on the theme. If it's an ocean theme or cartoon theme, you want people to see it and go, oh, is that the Rugrats? Girl, is that now Later Nails? So that's always the best compliment, when they can just tell where you're going with the set. Love that. And I just wanted to keep some of that red, white, and black and yellow, just something fun and bright. So that's really it, girl. It's a short video. Definitely chopped it up for y'all, especially for the people who got short attention spans. I'm trying to make the videos a little shorter, but still fun. But if we got a longer video, then we just have a longer video. But this one happens to be short. I feel like it's a quick set you could do to get a lot of bang for your buck. It definitely get, and if your client want, oh, can I get a red stone here? Can you do that there? Of course. Of course. Girl, I had a big giant Mickey Mouse diamond. So beautiful. Like the silhouette shape of the head and the ears, and it's completely diamond. So beautiful. I was not wasting it on this set. And the messed up thing is that the set that I'll probably put it on will not be as cartoony and Disney as this. Zeus, I am on the phone. Anywho, girl, I'm going in for the yellow. I really wanted to do the yellow. I was going to do this one either yellow or blue because there was some blue in the transfer foil. But I felt like yellow was definitely giving her what she needed to give. And again, me personally, I just wanted to keep it simple and cute. And I did not want a lot of bling. I just felt like bling would take away from the cuteness of the set. I'm sure you could put like one thing. You do whatever you want, girl. I saw this starburst and I thought it was perfect because usually isn't there like a magical star in like the commercials? And I don't know. I just recall there being like a star in the logo. So I put a little star there and I kept it down at the French because that's where all my designs were on the other fingers. And I had to pull one sticker. Girl, you know I got the OCD. So it's very hard for me to step out of routine. So I didn't want to use every sticker. Like I did not want to go in that direction with this set. But I did put one little sticker. Isn't she cute? Very cute. I love that pink with the colors. So that's it, girl. I love you, and I will see you next video. Bye.